So we just got back, went out for a little fishing trip today. Didn't plan on filming anything today, but like usual, I always take my camera gear with me, and the spinnerbait bite was so good today that we pulled the camera out. We filmed a little bit, nothing too crazy, but we'll go ahead and show you what we got into up on Mantua this weekend. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and cover how we were fishing these spinnerbaits, what we were using. I'm gonna put some links in the description to the gear we were using and the baits we were using, so you can get out on the water and hopefully you can catch some fish like we did. Look at the belly on that one.
That'd be a fit one.
Big old fatties coming up the spawn. One of them, I think. Wrapped up on that stick. We gotta go get him before he breaks off. Someone else wrapped up on that stick too.
Oh, grab this.
Grab that one. There's one. Third one for the day. Nice big fat pre-spawnies moving up into the shallows. So that's probably a 3.5 pounder right there. It's a good one. Yeah, let's put her back. Good. That one right there. What's that, number 5? Alright, so what we're fishing in this video today are Strike King KVD spinnerbaits. Throwing a 1/2 ounce. Didn't seem to matter what skirt we put on them, but I went with something brighter because the water was pretty stained. We only had about a foot and a half of visibility. But what we were doing with these spinnerbaits today is we were actually just coming down the tree line. We were only in about 2 or 3 feet of water. But what we were doing with them is we were pitching them right up into the trees, sometimes even back into the trees. And we weren't reeling them, we were just letting them sink. We were pitching them just like a jig, throwing them out to the trees and letting them sink. And those willow leaves on those spinnerbaits are gonna sit there and flutter like this all the way down to the bottom. We're letting those spinnerbaits sink till they hit the bottom before we even reel them back in. We're just burning them back to the boat, pitching them out, letting them sink, reeling them back to the boat. So every bite today except for one that we got came on that fall when those blades are just fluttering. I don't know of many people that fish spinnerbaits like that. It's one of my favorite ways to fish them, actually. Get some stained water, just pitch it right into the cover and just let it sink, just like you would a jig. So, or a creature bait or anything like that you're throwing Texas rig. Spinnerbaits are super weedless. A lot of people don't realize that, but you can throw those things almost anywhere. I mean, we're pitching these things back over 6, 7 logs or branches laying out in the water. When you get out over that stuff, just slow roll it over the top of it and just let it climb up the backside and drop and let it sink to the bottom again. Bring it up over the next one, just let it drop over the log and sink to the bottom again. Well, every time it hits that drop and those blades just start fluttering, that's when the fish were picking it up. So hopefully that tip will help you guys catch some more fish. If it does, leave a comment. If you fished it that way before, comment below, let me know. But hopefully you liked the video. See you next time.